Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look again in the euro currency. Situation here stands very interesting, and especially if you will take a look simultaneously and the euro currency and the dollar index. On the euro currency, it's really the madness stands on intraday charts. So it's very choppy consolidation. It's very difficult to make the conclusion on what really the direction will follow. But on the dollar index, it looks a bit more clear. And there we could make some suggestions. But first, I would like to say on the euro currency what I really do not like in the current situation. So if you remember in the weekly report, we said that yes, by the technical factors and technical patterns that we see on the euro currency, it seems that situation stands a bit more bullish rather than bearish. And from that standpoint, it's logical to suggest at least some upward continuation. But at the same time, on this week we will get Jerome Powell statement, some speech tomorrow, and also we will get the ADP and non-farm payrolls reports, and situation could change very fast. Particularly speaking on the euro currency, why I personally do not want to take the long position currently. So first of all, downward action here. It was very strong and with the tail closing almost every session. And that is just a 30% retracement up from this ABCD pattern. For me personally, it looks more like the retracement of the longer downward action. Second moment, dealing with this flag pattern that we have, it's not the way how market usually breaks the flag. So if market stands really bullish, appearing of the flag, usually it shows some really solid breakout and markets moving higher. Besides, the 30% resistance, it's not really something outstanding barrier. So this is just a 30% level. Market returns back inside of this, above this trend line, already has tested the 30% multiple times, but still stands around it without any real successful attempt of the breakout. Even yesterday, as you can see, first glance, it seems that markets makes an attempt to break the flag, but currently it stands below the trend line of the flag, stands inside of it. Well, this is some undecided situation. It's not really very good for the market. Second or third, is that take a look at these two tops. They are almost equal, and that could become the tweezer tops on the daily chart. This is also not very good when the market stands at resistance and prepares to make an attempt to go higher. So all the stuff that I have said, it doesn't mean that it's impossible that market will continue to move higher, but these nuances makes overall context a bit weaker and not as reliable as it could be. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, we mostly have the same picture. Our suggestion that market probably should follow a bit higher in the beginning of the week has happened. So if you remember, we said on the weekly report we have the catalyst equal to buy. Well, at least the completion of this pattern should follow, so market could climb a bit higher, but it doesn't mean that definitely the breakout up will follow. Currently, there's no really problems with the bullish stop exists, so no flaws, significant flaws. So market keeps the harmonic swings accurately, no breakout of the harmonic swing. Market has formed the bullish pattern, shows some upward action, but the manner of this price action, guys, it's definitely not the impulse action. So this is mostly some kind of the last effort. It seems that it's how the market tries to reestablish upward actions, last power that it has before a possible collapse. So I don't like this upward direction that we see here. Here is also make the marking daily tweezer stops, because take a look, these three tops mostly equal. So what does it mean? It means that if you have the bullish view on the market, you could try to follow the trading plan that we have talked about in the weekly report. Try to take the position on some retracement, maybe some bullish continuation pattern, if any, will be formed, and keep an eye on this confluence support. So as soon as market will break this confluence, it will mean that probably no upward direction will follow, and so it will be a really big challenge on the possible downward continuation. This is very important, guys. For the bears, it's the same story. So you need to get the confirmation of the possible breaking of the bullish step. Market should either complete this step with the upward continuation higher, or it will fail and start dropping lower. Keep an eye on this flag. As soon as this trend line will be broken, it will mean that market is coming lower. And as I said also in the weekly report, that I not exclude the chance that market will challenge 112 area, and so it could be real downward breakout with acceleration if market will take it out of these lows. This will be important. On the hourly chart, I don't see something really special. So we have this very choppy price action. It also stands sideways, accompanied by the divergence. Here maybe it could be kind of the hint of the double top. So it could become left top, right top. But for double top, it looks very choppy. So it's also not really very impressive. And now, guys, take a look what we have on the dollar index. This is 4-hour time frame chart. This is healthy pattern here on the 4-hour time frame chart in comparison to what we have on the 4-hour time frame chart on the EUR. It's not as clear as on the dollar index. Initially, we thought that we could get the hand shoulders, but actually, it's more choppy than on the dollar index. And here we have normal, healthy price action. So A, B, C top, OP is completed. Market stands in agreement. Support is the 30% support of the whole upward thrusting action, and OP. Here it also recognize normal bullish engulfing. It's also completed some kind of the ABCD action up. Minor hand shoulders here, probably on the hourly chart. Retracement. Now markets continue to move down. Potentially, it's possible that maybe market will drop here in completion to XOP. Market could form here the butterfly that will finalize the ABCD ultimate target. It's XOP at major support 95.75. But at the same time, market stands right now at the agreement support. And just if you plan the bullish trade on the euro, keep an eye on the dollar index. As soon as market will take it out of these lows, it will be signal that euro currency probably also will move higher. And in this case, the upward direction may be right to the daily OP target could follow. On the dollar index, you could get the downward direction to the XOP. Conversely, if market will continue to move high and move above the trend line, it will mean that here is downward continuation on the euro currency, upward continuation, no upward continuation will happen. Market will continue dropping on the euro. So as you can see, it's a bit sophisticated situation, mostly because of lack of the clear patterns and clear sentiment on the market. And you need to apply extended additional control tools to understand what's really going on. That's why I recommend to keep an eye simultaneously on the euro and on the dollar index, because on the dollar index you have clear patterns and it's easier to understand what will happen. So especially with these two extreme points. So dropping below the OP means downward continuation, and you could try to take the long position in euro currency in this case. Moving higher above this area will mean that no upward continuation on the euro will happen, and market is ready to move lower back to the 112. So that's what we see on euro. It's difficult. Maybe when we'll get some statistics, I mean the Powell statement and some ADP report and Farm Payrolls report, maybe it will become clearer. But currently, try to use the analysis simultaneously on euro and on dollar index.